I'm sorry, my advantage was knowledge applied consistently. Today that knowledge earned me over 100,000 bucks a week and funds multiple properties. I share it all in Telegram through free training and my signals. Join my community and message me. Knowledge wins every time. My eyes also look for tension before I break out forms. Flat candles often hide a build-up of pressure. That calm pattern appears before sharp moves. Breakouts begin in silence, not noise. That silence is my signal to prepare.
Let's open that long trade here. This is a very relatively good entry point for this trade. We are following the trend. Let's highlight the trading area. The movement is very dynamic here. I am more inclined to analyze and focus on technical movements here. Here we see that the pullbacks are approaching the midline, the moving average of our channel. Here we see a fairly strong pullback, and accordingly after this pullback we will open a long trade. I think I'm absolutely right here, and our trade should close in profit.
Trading might look easy on videos, but once you start, you realize it's a whole different game. That's why I give you a free practice session and personal guide to help you trade the right way. You will also get daily trading signals and real working strategies in my Telegram channel. Tap the link below and claim your free trading practice today.
Two good pullback is in place because the movement has already crossed the moving average, and in theory it should already be reversing. If you understand how Bollinger Bands works, you understand me perfectly. And as I said, the deal closed smoothly and we made a profit.
Bad timing ruins good setups. That's why I focus on flow, not prediction. I don't fight rhythm, I blend into it. When the market breathes out, I enter with it. That's how trades feel natural, not forced.
Trading 1 minute all day drains your focus. Charts pull you in. Time disappears. I learned that fatigue feels like intuition, dangerous illusion. When tired, every chart looks like a setup. That's when discipline saves you.
Here let's open a long trade. Let's highlight the working area again and we will open in the direction of the trend again. Look, we had a long pullback here, a pretty good pullback, and the movement touched the lower moving average. Here we see from the RSI that the movement has left the oversold area. Why not open in line with the trend? We also see upward movement in the RSI here. Accordingly, we open in line with the trend and see our overall picture. I am pleased with the result. And in last seconds, our trade will close in profit.
I never rush on the first move. One candle can lie, but context never does. If I see pressure failing twice, that's confirmation. Direction becomes obvious only when story repeats. Repetition is proof, not coincidence. Stop wasting your money on fake signals that never work. What you see online might look easy, but real trading is completely different. That's why I created a free strategy practice where you can actually see how it works in real market conditions. And for those who want to go further, there is a private VIP group with daily signals and personal support. Click the link below and claim the free strategy practice right now.